Time check! Sawadee ka tukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Sawadee ka!
Thank you. Thank you.
Make-up time! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Morning! Ohayo gozaimasu! Good morning, Teacher Jen! Good morning, Teacher Ming! Jiao Shanghao Ni Hao! And I'm done with my makeup. Bon appetit! Cheers! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. What kind of bow cannot be tied? What has a head but no brain? Huh? Okay, very good. What has a bank but no money? Okay, very good. What gets wetter the more it dries? What goes up but never comes down? I live on a farm. I like to eat grass. I give milk. Okay, very good. I have 4 legs. I look like a horse. I have black and white stripes. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Please sit down, Monique. I am liquid, but if you name me, I become solid. What am I?
A water.
I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. What am I? The more you bath with it, the dirtier it gets. What is it? Okay, very good. Kun. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. What has no hands but keeps your hands clean? Very good. What do you wear on your feet? What animal barks and is called a man's best friend? I am always running but never move. What am I? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. What month of the year has 28 days?
All of them.
What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it?
Promise?
What goes up but never comes down?
Your age.
What has one eye but can't see?
One eye that can see. Needle.
What can travel around the world while staying in the same corner?
Corner. Stamp.
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit! Tapos na noon. Oh. Cheers! 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 Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Please sit down. You're welcome. You ready? What has more letters the more you remove? What has windows but no glass and a space but no roof? What wears a cap but has no head? What has no doors but can be broken into? What has no voice yet makes the loudest noise? Mawin, what is born in water but dies in it?
Ice.
What gets shorter as it grows older?
A candle.
What lives in winter, dies in summer, and grows with its roots upward?
Icicle.
Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Ulit na ko ay. Goodbye, Teacher Fern. Jai Chen. Hala, udira. Di ko gusto habdan ko niya. Halo. Goodbye, Teacher Ming. Jai Chen. Goodbye, Teacher Namtan. Sayonara. Goodbye, Teacher Jen. Ha? Paalam. Goodbye, Teacher Namtan. Sawadee ka. Ay, Teacher Namtan. I didn't see her. Teacher Namtan, kaban. Let's go. Let's go home. Let's take a rest.